If Google Chrome is crashing immediately after opening on Windows 11, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can get Chrome working again fast. We'll start with the easiest solution first, then move on to a couple of deeper fixes if Chrome still refuses to open. This is a great step-by-step method because the issue can be caused by temporary glitches, stuck background processes, bad extensions, corrupted profile data, or even hardware acceleration problems. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes and browser tutorials. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, restart your computer. It may sound basic, but a quick restart can clear temporary system issues, memory glitches, and background conflicts that might be preventing Chrome from launching properly. Once your Windows 11 PC has restarted, try opening Google Chrome again and see if the problem is gone. If Chrome still crashes right away, move on to the next step. Now let's end any stuck Chrome processes in Task Manager. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape together to open Task Manager. If it opens in the compact view, click More Details so you can see the full list of running apps and processes. Look for anything related to Google Chrome. You may see one or more Chrome processes still running in the background even though the browser looks closed. Select each Chrome process and click End Task. This is important because a frozen background process can stop Chrome from launching correctly the next time you try to open it. After ending all Chrome tasks, try reopening Chrome again. If Chrome is still crashing, the next thing to test is whether an extension is causing the problem. Press Windows and R on your keyboard to open the Run box. In the field, type chrome.exe --disable-extensions, then press Enter. This starts Chrome without loading extensions. If Chrome opens normally this way, that's a strong sign that one of your extensions is causing the crash. In that case, you can later open Chrome, go to your extensions, and disable or remove the suspicious one by one until you find the problem. If Chrome still won't stay open, the issue may be with your Chrome profile data. To fix that, press Windows and R again, then type %local app data %/Google/Chrome/user data and press Enter. This will open the Chrome user data folder. Here, you want to find the folder named Default or sometimes Profile 2 if you're using a different browser profile. Rename the folder instead of deleting it. For example, change Default to default.old or Profile 2 to profile2.old. Renaming the folder forces Chrome to create a fresh profile the next time it starts, which can fix corrupted profile files that are causing immediate crashes. After renaming the folder, try launching Chrome again. There's one more setting that can cause Chrome to crash on some Windows 11 systems, and that is hardware acceleration. If Chrome stays open long enough for you to change the setting, click the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings, then System. Find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available and turn it off. After that, click Relaunch. This can help if Chrome is crashing because of a graphics driver or GPU rendering conflict. So, to quickly recap, start with the restart, then end any Chrome tasks in Task Manager, test Chrome without extensions, rename the Chrome profile folder if needed, and disable hardware acceleration if you can get into the browser long enough. One of these fixes usually solves the problem when Chrome crashes immediately after opening in Windows 11. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tech fixes, Windows 11 troubleshooting tips, and browser repair guides. And if you're still having trouble, let me know in the comments what happened when you tried each step, and I'll try to help you from there.